Now, imagine a central hub where all your project-related information lives. A place where you can organize tasks, share files, have discussions, and track progress seamlessly. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Well, that's where project management software comes in, and one of the well-established players in this field is Basecamp. For years, Basecamp has been helping teams of all sizes get organized and stay on the same page. It offers a suite of tools designed to streamline communication, manage tasks, and keep projects moving forward. From to-do lists and message boards to file sharing and scheduling, Basecamp provides a comprehensive platform for effective project collaboration. So, you're intrigued, and you're thinking, okay, this sounds great, but how do I actually get started? You're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to download Basecamp to your computer, so you can start experiencing the benefits of organized project management firsthand. Now, it's important to clarify something right off the bat. Basecamp is primarily a web-based application. This means you don't actually download a traditional desktop application in the same way you would download, say, a word processor or a video editing software. Instead, you access Basecamp through your web browser, like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. However, to make accessing Basecamp even more convenient, they offer desktop applications for both Windows and macOS. These desktop apps essentially act as dedicated wrappers around the web application, providing a smoother and more integrated experience with your operating system. You get handy notifications, and the application feels more like a native program on your computer. So, when we talk about downloading Basecamp, we're really talking about getting these desktop applications. Let's dive into how you can do that step by step. Step 1. Head to the Basecamp website. The first thing you'll need to do is open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Basecamp website. You can easily find it by searching for Basecamp on any search engine, or by directly typing in the address. Insert actual Basecamp website address here. Make sure you're on the legitimate Basecamp website to avoid any potential security risks. Step 2. Find the download section. Once you're on the Basecamp homepage, look for a section related to downloading the desktop applications. This might be located in the navigation menu at the top or bottom of the page, or it could be prominently displayed on the main page itself. Keep an eye out for terms like download, desktop apps, or platform-specific icons for Windows and macOS. Sometimes, the website might automatically detect your operating system and present you with the relevant download option. If not, you'll likely see links or buttons for both Windows and macOS versions. Step 3. Select your operating system. Click on the download link or icon that corresponds to your computer's operating system. If you're using a Windows PC, click on the Windows option. If you're using a Mac, click on the macOS option. Step 4. The download begins. Once you click the appropriate link, your web browser will begin downloading the Basecamp desktop application installer. You'll typically see the download progress in your browser's download manager, usually located at the bottom of your browser window or accessible through a dedicated downloads page. The file you're downloading will likely be an executable file, .exe for Windows, or a disk image file, .dmg for macOS. The size of the file is usually relatively small, so the download shouldn't take too long, depending on your internet connection speed. Step 5. Locate the downloaded file. Once the download is complete, you'll need to locate the downloaded file on your computer. By default, most web browsers save downloaded files to your Downloads folder. You can usually access this folder through your File Explorer, Windows, or Finder macOS. Look for the Basecamp installer file. It will likely have a name that includes Basecamp and possibly the version number. Step 6. Run the installer Windows. If you're on a Windows PC, double-click the .exe file to run the installer. A security warning might pop up asking if you want to allow the application to make changes to your device. Click Yes to proceed with the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions provided by the Basecamp installer. You'll likely be asked to agree to the terms and conditions and choose an installation location. It's generally recommended to stick with the default installation settings unless you have a specific reason to change them. Once the installation is complete, you should find a Basecamp shortcut on your desktop and in your Start menu. Step 7. open the application Windows. Double-click the Basecamp shortcut to launch the desktop application. Step 8. Mount the disk image, macOS. If you're on a Mac, double-clicking the .dmg file will mount it as a virtual disk on your computer. A Finder window will open, displaying the Basecamp application icon. Step 9. Drag and drop to Applications folder, macOS. Drag the Basecamp application icon from the mounted disk image to your Applications folder. This installs the application on your Mac. Step 10. Eject the disk image, macOS. Once you've copied the application to your Applications folder, you can eject the mounted disk image. You can do this by right-clicking on the disk image icon on your desktop or in the Finder sidebar and selecting Eject. Step 11. Open the application, macOS. Open your Applications folder and double-click the Basecamp application icon to launch it. You might see a security warning the first time you open the application, asking if you're sure you want to open it. Click Open. Step 12. Sign in or sign up. Once the Basecamp desktop application is open, you'll be prompted to either sign in to your existing Basecamp account or sign up for a new one. If you already have a Basecamp account, simply enter your email address and password. If you're new to Basecamp, you can follow the on-screen instructions to create a new account. Basecamp often offers a free trial period, so you can explore its features before committing to a paid plan. Step 13. Start organizing your projects. Congratulations! You've successfully downloaded and installed the Basecamp desktop application. You're now ready to start organizing your projects, collaborating with your team, and experiencing the benefits of streamlined project management. Take some time to explore the interface and familiarize yourself with the different tools and features Basecamp offers. You can create new projects, add team members, create to-do lists, start discussions, share files, and much more. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.